Our people are only qualified to guide 5 lines. Peach watch and cup of tea, oh. Peach watch and cup of tea, oh.
Hold it there. What in the world, una? What are the person picking like saying now, Nabona?
Chief, oh.
We're not start again up here. How can
Chief, we're on our own, oh. We went for her. Okay, we told her we want to do 2 sum. Bam! 2 sum, how much? She said 20,000.
40,000.
We beg her for 30,000. She refused. No. We said, okay, no problem. Before you know it, she used her waist. Start to rob us. We say, this one can handle us. Before you know it, I have a no. Finish the explanation. Then when we entered the house, we have already paid off the 40,000. Oh.
Yeah. Come on, 3 hours. Only 3 hours that we spent. Only 3 hours. 3 hours and 3 minutes or 3 minutes or so.
Yes.
Can you say that kind of
she started running away and started crying and all this thing.
Only me, 3 hours of this thing. Now the thing is catching fire. Ako, gas cooker. Firewood is hot. It's hot. I cannot continue.
Then
I cannot continue.
Yeah. See, you must finish what you started, though. You must finish what you started.
Shut up your mouth.
Thank you, sir.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Started. What started? What thing you start, you no go finish. 3 hours. Nenu 1 man. Oh, my zibon na 3 decades. Oh, my zibon na has 3 some. Uno chari me 2 some. Oh, na no way jama una adeptica.
This man.
That's the way jama adeptica. Adeptica look no so nelu nwa ikono na uno na agbasaka. Uno ba La Liga. Ngo you no ngana agba football match. You jeju okocha. Ko you go nwa akalikelechi. Unu ngutie unu abo shote aka mpa n'ulo woro mo ogbenye tige nga ahụ ha bịa nga ahụ na atakara aka hụ na nwo ka unu were unu abo aka mpa gbapuo mmiri na village nu tige pump ụmụ ogbenye shi n'okpuru nu na aṅụrụ ma mmiri ka unu were pipe kwe go ọnụ n'ọdụ echi na-esi ọwụ like every day by days ọwụ unu nwa na ụmụ nwaanyị onye ke ga-asụ n'uriri ya aka mpa rie ya onye eriti ya aritu onye ọzọ arigoro unu mi shote chishi ya ka ande nutrient guru ni
Jesus he dey cook it that it is justified and yeah agreement or business obna cheru na iru na mana have good business this guy must finish what he started simple
business of your kwakere
ona na ego
osogonye ego
o be shita ko ji na alu Therefor be shita ko obu na alu
Pokri be shit ka dimba ha ko no Jesus pokri he lawanu unu ga maka Chineke
anya kwa na wase ba o se ba mu na do kefo
you be mumu how many times they tell you mumu man
gika ye mezi
akwam takwando
chief gika ye
akwam takwando
chief
why are you running